So as to a quadrilateral is inscribed in a circle as shown, find the area of the quadrilateral. So the first thing I have to do is to introduce an auxiliary line running from P to R. That's the first thing I have to do. So let's introduce it. So we now have two triangles, yes, because it's easier to get the two areas. If I know the areas of the two triangles, sum it, that becomes the area of the quadrilateral. And this line now, we can use it to relate the first triangle, that's triangle PQR and triangle PSR. Yes. How do you do it? Using cosine rule. Yes. But first of all, let's locate this angle. You know from our basic circle theorem that the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral sum to 180, so this should be 120. So if we call the required, okay, let's call this side x. Yes, we now use cosine rule to relate the two. So in the first triangle, if I want to get PR, so using cosine rule, I have the square of this side equals the square root. So we have square root of 3 squared plus 6 squared minus 2 times 3 times 6 cos 6. Yes, that's the square of this side, the auxiliary line, in terms of the first triangle, or in terms of the second triangle is square root of what? X squared plus 2 squared minus 2 times x times 2 cos 120. Yes, cosine rule. So that's because of cosine rule. So if you want to get this, you use it in terms of this or the second one. So what do you now notice? This, the square roots are gone. This is 45, this is 18. So 45 minus 18 is 27. So I have 27 equals, this is x squared, this is 4, y cos 120 is minus half, so I have plus 2x. So we have a quadratic equation, x squared plus 2x minus 23 equal to 0. Yes, so applying our quadratic formula, x equal to minus 2 plus or minus, but no need of using minus because this length should be positive, so we'll take positive because this is negative, it will result to negative, so no need of putting plus minus, so we'll leave only plus. So this is 4 plus 92 over 2. Yes, that's quadratic formula. So this is equal to minus 1 plus this 96, that's 2 root 6. So we've gotten x to be minus 1 plus 2 root 6. Therefore, the area we are looking for, the area of quadrilateral, is the sum of the areas of the triangle. So which is area of triangle 1, area of triangle, the sum of the two. So area 1 is half 3 times 6 sine 60, while area 2 is half times x times 2, our x, okay, that's right, 2, our x is 2 root 6 minus 1 sine 120. And we know that sine 120 and 60 are the same, which is root 3. We'll factor root 3 over, which is root 3 over 2. Do you get sine 60 and sine 120 are the same, which is root 3 over 2. This is 9 plus y, this is 2 root 6 minus 1. So our answer is this 8 plus that should be 4 root 3 plus root 18. Root 18 is 3 root 2. So that is our answer. That should be option B. So our answer is option B. It's a tricky question, but still simple. Thank you.